Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Viola, and today I'm having a little bit of a pamper session. So I'm just deep conditioning my hair right now, and while that really kind of sinks in and moisturizes my hair, I thought this is the perfect time to moisturize my skin. So I've been moving home recently, so I've definitely been not getting like enough sleep. I've been doing a lot of packing. They kind of have that kind of stress, so it's really nice to be in my new home now and just to relax and really take care of my skin. So I've got some products to try here from Hey Bud Skincare, and this is an Australian brand, and quite a lot of the products they use like hemp in them, so they're meant to be like natural and really good for you. So I'm going to be trying this out first of all, and this is the Hey Bud Clear as Clay Hemp Clay Mask, and it says it draws out impurities, clears and brightens, so that's gonna work perfectly for me. So I've got this kind of starter pack with quite a few different products from them. So I'm going to start off with the clay mask, but I also have the cleanser, some serum, a moisturiser, so lots of lovely stuff here. But yeah, it's got like quite a fresh natural scent. It doesn't really smell of much really. And I love this, look, I've got a nice brush to apply on. It's quite a thick one. Let me just check I don't need to, yeah, apply an even amount to clean dry skin. Well, I've just been in the shower, of course, doing my hair, so my face is already clean, but you could go in with a cleanser or something like that beforehand, just because you don't want to be putting a mask on top of like kind of sweaty skin or makeup or anything like that. So this clay mask, it has hemp in it, kaolin, avocado oil, green tea. It's vegan and also cruelty free. So I'm just going to use one of my microfiber face cloths and just some warm water. So I look quite refreshed, which is good. So now I'm going to move on to using the Niacinamide and Hemp Serum, and it says that it brightens and clears blemishes. So in terms of the instructions, there's guess you just use it like any other serum. You can use it morning or night, apply 1 to 2 pumps to freshly cleansed skin, and you just massage it. Now, one thing that I have learned about serum is that it's actually better not to apply it on a completely dry face. So after you have kind of washed your face, maybe just dab a bit off, but kind of try and leave some of that moisture. Okay, so I'm going to do the 2 pumps, just my fingertips. There you go. Now I'm going to massage in, and I have got aging skin. Like my skin, people always think I look young for my age, but I definitely look older than I used to look. But you know, I'm 32 years old, so eventually you will start to look your age. But I love to massage my face. Facial massage is something that I do quite a lot, and you just want to use like nice upward motions because you really want to lift your face. Like, no one wants gravity to get their face too much, so I always really lift and massage my cheeks, and with this serum it's just providing a nice amount of slip. There you go, that's nice. I think that looks really nice. I think I look quite moisturised, glowy. It's again got just quite a natural scent, which is quite nice. Like I don't know if it's it might even be like fragrance free. You'll have to check the exact ingredients, but it doesn't have like a strong scent or something like that. Like it's not floral or something like that. So if you kind of don't like those heavily scented products, this is definitely one to try. And another thing that I've just noticed that I think is quite good is this. It says that it can also like help to balance your oil production, reduces redness, and protects against UV damage. So that's all part of the niacinamide that's in it, so that's really nice. And I just always think when you have products from an Australian skincare brand, like the sun is so harsh in Australia, especially in comparison to Britain, so I'm like, this is gonna be like, if this can save people's skin in Australia with that much harsher conditions, then it's gonna be good enough for me. So lastly, I'm going to go in with the Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturiser. And it says it deeply hydrates and calms skin. So this will be nice. Pea size amount, AM or PM. Well, AM and PM. So I'm just going to go for 1 pump and we'll see. My skin is like normal to dry, but I am quite moisturised from all those other products, so oh yeah, 1 pump really does go a long way on this. So just imagine, I think 1 pump down my face, and then I'm gonna need 1 for my neck. Again, nice upward motions there. So that is the finished skincare routine. I'm going to go ahead and finish washing my hair now and just enjoy a nice glowy face for the rest of the day. Let me know if you try any of these products, or if you have tried Hey Bud before. Let me know which one of their products is your favourite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!